Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Guys, what was that? We saw a drop all the way down to 89.3 thousand, and in the last 24 hours, about $1.03 billion in futures positions were wiped out. Of that, roughly 723 million came from long positions, and about 306 million came from shorts. From the recent top near 126,000 down to the lows, this move is roughly a 30% pullback. Historically, corrections of that magnitude often mark meaningful bottom zones within a larger upward cycle. So the question is whether the move below 90,000 was an opportunity. To answer that, let us look at two important charts. The first chart tracks the number of entities holding at least 1,000 Bitcoin compared with the spot price. What immediately stands out is the 2025 to 2026 divergence. While price has corrected sharply from the highs, the number of large holders has increased with one of the strongest rises on record. In previous cycles, these expansions in 1,000 coin wallets appeared during major regime transitions, when long horizon participants accumulated into periods of forced selling. This suggests that the recent decline may not have been driven by informed sellers, but rather by liquidity pressure on short-duration traders who were forced out. The second chart looks at short-term holders, defined as wallets holding coins aged less than about 155 days. They are now showing the deepest aggregate loss in the entire dataset, falling below minus 95% relative to their cost basis. This reading is extremely rare, and historically appears only during exhaustion phases at the end of severe liquidation events. Short-term holders tend to buy into local tops and release supply into local bottoms. Their current loss level indicates a final phase of emotionally driven weak-hand selling. Together, the two charts reveal a classic transfer of ownership. Short-term holders are capitulating under maximum stress, while large structured holders are absorbing that supply aggressively. This type of divergence has often marked the transition from late-stage liquidation into the early phases of accumulation. In past cycles, these conditions have preceded multi-month reversals and created the foundation for the next sustained bull expansion. In simple terms, reactive participants are stepping out, while informed participants are stepping in. For long-horizon allocators, these structural shifts often define high-conviction re-entry windows, not necessarily for immediate upside, but for potential gains measured across the next several quarters. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time discussions. Thanks for leaving a comment. It really helps the channel a lot. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.